Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our literacy circle, read aloud number 2. I'm going to introduce a listening story for you guys today. I'm going to introduce the listening story. It's called The Cat and the Mouse. Okay, this is a story, boys and girls, that originated in Mexico, and it is about a clever cat and some puzzled mice. Okay, so boys and girls, before I start the story, I want to go over some vocabulary words. Okay, so let me show you my vocabulary words. So I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if you can see it. We have a picture of, the first vocabulary word is scarce, and that means lack of. So if you look at the picture, they're trying to get some water, but there's lack of water. That means it's not enough. So it's not enough water for them to have some. So scarce means lack of, and you're going to hear this word in the story. The next word that's in the story is village. And if you look at the picture right here, a village is a group of houses in a small area. Okay. The next vocabulary word is town. And yes, that looks like our downtown area. Right here in Houston. So a town is it's larger than a village, as you could tell over there, but it's smaller than a city. Like the city of Houston that you guys live in is so big. So I live in Richmond, and Richmond is a smaller town. It's smaller than the city of Houston. Okay. So the next word is, you probably can guess that one, boys and girls. It's scared, okay? To be fearful or nervous about something, okay? So that's scared. You're going to hear all these vocabulary words in the story as I read it. And here's one more picture. Yes, mice, okay? Because it's more than one. So it's two of them, mice. It's a rodent that has a pointed snout, which nose, large ears, and a long tail, okay? That mice is going to be in the story too. And then clever, and I have a dog with some glasses and a bow tie and a graduation hat. So clever, it means that you're quick to understand and learn things, okay? All right, boys and girls, so let's get ready to listen very, very carefully with your sensational sense of hearing. I want you to use your hearing, boys and girls, to listen very carefully to the story as I read it. All right, the cat and the mice. I'm going to say it again. The cat and the mice. And remember, boys and girls, this story originated from, that's right, Mexico. Okay? So now let me tell the story. Food was becoming scarce in the small village. So Ramon, the village cat, decided to go to another village. He walked and he walked for many days until he finally arrived in a little town. He thought there might be some food here and began hunting for some mice. Yeah, because you know what? Cats like mice, right? The mice in that town cried, "A big cat has just arrived in our village." "Meow, meow, meow," said Ramon the cat. The mice responded, "We know that you are out there waiting to eat us, but we are never going to come out of our houses. We are safe here." Hours passed, days passed, the same conversation continued. "Meow, meow, meow," said Ramon the cat. The mice responded, "We know that you are out there waiting to eat us, but we are never going to come out of our houses. We are safe here." So guess what? Another week passed, and suddenly the mice heard the barking of a dog. Can you sound like a dog for me? That's right. Bow, wow, 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 roof, roof, roof. The mice immediately thought the cat had been chased away by the dog. Now, why would the mice think the cat had been chased away by the dog? That's right, boys and girls, because Dogs, they chase cats. Yeah. We can come out of our houses now, the mice said to each other. What do you think? Do you think that it's safe for them to come out? Or do you think the Ramon the cat was trying to trick them? Let's read to find out. They stepped outside, but to their surprise, they did not see a dog. Instead, they saw Ramon, the cat, the very same cat that had been meowing earlier. Only now he was barking like a dog. Boys and girls, we were right. It was Ramon. He tricked the mice. The cat had tricked the mice. In a very frightened voice, one of the mice asked the cat, what happened to the barking that we heard? We believed that there was a dog outside our houses and thought you had been scared away by the dog. Where's the dog? With great satisfaction, the cat responded, indeed, there is no dog. I was making the sound of a barking dog. I have learned that knowing more than one language has many possibilities in life. So that Ramon the cat, he's very, very clever. Yes, he was so smart that he tricked them. But boys and girls, when Ramon could not catch a mouse for dinner, how did he solve his problem? Remember, he lived in a small village where food was becoming scarce. That means it was hard to find food. So what did he decide to do? Go ahead and tell someone next to you. That's right, boys and girls. He decided to go to another village close by. And that's when it wasn't that close by because he had to walk for days and days and days until he finally arrived to another little town. Okay? So, do you think he ate the cat? Did you think the cat ate the mice? What do you think happened at the end of the story? Go ahead and tell the person next to you, what do you think happened at the end of the story? What do you think happened next? Do you think that he ate the mice, or do you think he let them go back into their houses? All right, boys and girls, I enjoyed that story. I enjoyed the whole story. Let's go ahead and end right there. I will see you later. Bye-bye.